Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for May 27, 2020. Today we're taking a look at the GBPUSD Greater British Pound versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. Yesterday we saw a significant rally here for the pound dollar, moving from the mid 121s all the way up into the mid to upper 123. So a significant rally. You can see that big blue candle on the right hand side of the chart. Today we're seeing the sellers fight back a little bit and the buyers trying to stand their ground into support or above what was resistance, now acting as our support level on the right hand side. Let's go ahead and take it on down to the 4-hour time frame. And there's the rally from yesterday. You can see a significant push from the blue zone all the way up to the yellow shaded area. Now the sellers trying to ease back. Maybe that's a little bit of profit taking from yesterday as well, as it presses back down to the orange and the pink shaded area. One thing I was looking at a few minutes ago was Fibonacci. If we take Fibonacci from yesterday, or the low that we see down here at the blue shaded area, to our current resistance high, 236 right here into the orange zone, 382 fib retracement level sitting at 122.86, which is just above our pink zone. So right now, the market holding above the pink zone, the 382 Fibonacci retracement level, which happens to coincide with, of course, this last resistance right here. So this resistance at the pink zone holding as support for the day for the pound dollar. So the question is, will the buyers give up and the sellers take back control and drive it down, or will they stand their ground, the buyers, and we'll see it push right back above the orange zone and turn back higher again? So that's kind of what we're watching today. A break under the pink zone, I think, changes the story back to a bearish move. And this is not unlike what we saw right here, where the market found resistance at the pink zone, the sellers drove it down a bit, and then they even took it back down to the blue zone before this significant rally. So we'll wait to see what happens. Will the buyers stay in control, or will the sellers grab control of this? One thing I will note, let's take it all the way over here to the US dollar real quick. US dollar futures index, significant fall yesterday. If you look at yesterday's candle here, significant fall yesterday. Today we are also bearish again, challenging the bottom of the long-term range. So this is a key area for the US dollar. If it breaks down through here, we could see a new downtrend or a new pressure lower for the US dollar, holding here like it did the last two times we were into this area near the 98.75 level. We could see a return of the buying trend and the bullish push once again for the dollar back to the top of the range. So we're at a key decision point for the dollar. How that affects the pound dollar is, if the dollar continues to go lower, this will pressure higher. That's the way that works. A weaker dollar sends the pound dollar higher. Now, if the dollar turns around and goes back up, we will look for the bears to take back control here for the pound dollar for the day. I'm looking at this pink and orange zone as the base of support for the day. If the buyers are going to take control, we're looking for buy signals from the pink or the orange shaded area for the pound dollar, and taking it back to the yellow or even the blue zone on a new high to be made. Let's take into account our volume indicator real quick. Here we see a little bit of a pressure lower, but that's not unheard of, especially if we're going to turn around and go back up. We want to see it take a little bit of a dip back down, settle back down into support, and then when and if we see this turn over to green and bullish again, gives us a signal that the buying volume is coming back into the market. So at this point, you could either attempt to take the short and look for the sellers to drive it back down to the pink zone, or look for that indication or buying signal from volume that this is going to turn right back around and go back up for the pound dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.